welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will show you how to DIY a shooting star. You guys ready? Let's do it. So the first, we're going to go over the materials. And here you don't really have a lot. We have our star. It's our full star. We also have our shimmer curtain. We're using that in gold. You can get it on Amazon. So is this one. And we have our U-glue dashes that you can also find on Amazon. I have about half a sheet here. You probably won't even need as much. And the scissors to cut our shimmer. I do have my legenda here, but if you don't have legenda, you can use just a hand pump. You guys ready? Let's do it. First, we are going to be inflating our foil balloon. Here we have a star, so let's just inflate it. And this is what it looks like. It is an 18-inch gold star. What we're going to do, we are going to hide this little tail by just taping it to the actual balloon. We'll use the U-glue dashes for that. And I mean, if you have the glue dots instead, you can do that. Or the low heat glue gun also would work. So I'll just put two things, remove the paper, and glue it together. So now, what we're going to do, we are going to be attaching our tassel to that part, so to the bottom of the star, to make it look like it's a fallen star. Let's open it up. So when you are opening the shimmer curtain, it does come with self-adhesive strips. We're not going to use this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this off. Before attaching it, I'm going to use the U-glue dashes for attachment. But before doing that, let's measure the length that we're going to need. Where's my bottom? Okay, so I'm going to need this length. So I'm going to take the end of the shimmer, and this is about how much I'm going to need. So I'm going to cut it at this little fold. So, as I said, we're not gonna need this big size of the attachment piece, right? So we're going to cut half of it. So make sure you leave yourself about 2 fingers, which is about 1.5 inch from where the shimmer starts splitting. So like this much. Okay, we have about 2 fingers here. So now what we're going to do, we are going to apply our glue dots, our U-glue dash. So basically 1 on each end, and if you will need more, you can always do that later as you applying it. I just put few. Okay, and at the end I will also be attaching additional U-glue, but I'll show it to you as we after we apply it. Okay, so now we will be applying that to the side of the star where we want to have our shimmer. So I'm just doing that at the very end, basically along that seam line. And then I will additionally add some glue dots at the end, so it looks good on each side. Like you see here I have a split. I'm just going to attach an additional glue dot to put them together. And I will also do that at the end, so it's nice and flat on the star. Okay, so this is what it looked like. So you'll know that the shimmer curtains come at the length of 8 foot. Obviously, most likely you're not gonna need it this long, so you can cut it at any length you want. I typically like to keep it anywhere between 3 to 4 foot. So you still have that nice length to it, and you can do it at a different angle. I can show it to you. Alright, so now to attach it, you're going to use a 260 and either gaffer's tape or painter's tape. Simply adding the 60 to the back of it, and then we're going to tape it, H-tape it. Create an H shape and the back. Now we're going to create a loop by just tying 2 ends together. And now this loop can be added to a balloon garland. So basically it can easily stand like this. You can apply this method for stars or for hearts to give an extra special touch to your displays. This could also be a great idea for your helium balloons. Alright guys, so what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.